Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got an RCI-63FFD4. We're going to do a tune-up report for Rene in Texas. So starting, now we've hooked the amplifier up to this switch here. So we're going to leave it out right now. So we have just the radio's power. And we'll take a look at this watt meter here. 10 watts on the top scale. Oops. I turn the knob all the way down. So we got a range of 1 to 5.5 on this low end, and a peak power on the 50 watt slug be in the middle scale.
Middle scale, audio, check, audio. About 45 worth of
peak power there. Okay, and that's it. Let's take and push that button in now, and we'll scroll that all the way down again. Except this time we're going to put this in 100 watt scale instead of 10. So all the way down is like, used to be 10, now it's 12. Have to touch that up. 10 to 100. Now over here, take out this 50 and put in a 500. So again, we'll be looking at the same middle scale, but we have to add a 0 to everything. So be
audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, check.
okay. And there's full power. And let's go with let's heat it up and change something else. I'll have to adjust that too for a hot range. Alright, there we got this one. How about a 19? Can I get a radio check? You hear this radio okay there, driver?
Sounds good.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.